Look, I'm back with the video. I'm with Zubeda. Say hi, Zubeda.
Hi guys.
Okay, see how I glitched. And let's drop now. Yo, Zubeda, jump now. I'm falling.
Oh, it's falling.
Yeah. Come, jump. Come to me.
Should I come with you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Oh, see, I got the dab.
Oh no! Trina.
I got the dab. That's dab on the YouTube.
I'm in this blue house. Wait.
What? Who you are?
Me, because you weren't talking.
Yes, then, guys. This is the tactic how to not waste your material in these kind of houses. Yes, then jump back on.
And my brother said that.
Nobody was asking for your brother. Yes? Please.
Okay, I'm just coming back up there.
You should check out Dawi's channel. He's my best friend. Yeah. When we probably when we're older, we might go to concerts. And you should check out the founder. And I'm in a clan. And I have a Zubeda. Here's some minis.
I forgot to.
Okay.
I'll hold them.
Okay, there you go. No, you hold minis and bags.
No, because I've already got a bandage.
No, okay, give him the bandage. Because one hold heals, one hold shield. Yeah? So,
I got meds.
yeah, that's heal. Med is kind of heal. But I wanted that.
Oh, that's what I'm taking that. Oh, Junior, why do you have to come into my house? Your house is a different house.
Reasonable.
Why did you just have to come into mine? There wasn't actually any point. Because you know we don't actually go into other people's houses. So I'm going to this house just because you stole my trap. It's tickle.
Can they
Somebody's trying to shoot us.
I'm getting shot from. I'm getting shot. Come and help me.
Don't.
Oh, that was some dodgy ass building. I was playing around with you when I was shooting you.
Gina, oh my god.
I see them. They're pushing.
They're actually pushing?
Yep.
What?
Do you have any gun?
No.
I can't do anything. How many people are there?
Two. Sorry, but I'm dead. He mined me. He eliminated me with the pickup.
I almost got one. But then the other one.
He was on 29 health. And he said got dead.
But just because of his teammate. Teammates proper piss taking, fam.
Okay, that was annoying.
That was the first vid. You'll see the second one in a minute. Yo guys, this is going to be a second video.
What?
Today, and we're gonna do a squad. And I'm not going top, so you might as well go needy, guys. Yeah, I'm working. This guy's asking bad questions, fam. Oh, Zubeda, let's just hop topsy, Zubeda. We don't have to. For the kill to my YouTube channel. Tell the skill, fam.
This guy could get killed because...
Yeah. Because, like, I'm not that good. I'm not, like, pro. But my highest killing in one game is 8. Knocked. I just knocked down someone.
Already?
Yeah, because they're in the other tower. I have 2 bot actions. I have a purple bot action.
Do you have purple and normal?
Yeah.
You can give me the normal.
Come to me then, you'll get normal.
I need to build all the way up to you.
I demolished that guy. See this minigun? Crap. You shall see what I did to that guy. You have enough material?
No.
Just jump down then. You're getting hit.
No, I'm not.
Are you just 4 damage?
Oh, this guy's actually nice. He's good.
How?
He's good at the game.
What did he give you?
No, he's just good at the game. Really much.
People in the tower.
Okay, give me. I'm holding meds. I've got 3. I'm not got. No.
I'm trying to get these people in the other tower.
Okay, I'm just gonna use a med.
Come and help me get these people in the other tower. Lady, where are you?
What are you?
I'm in your tower.
Huh?
Did you leave the tower?
I didn't leave the tower. I was coming up. I'm coming up.
I'm trying to get these people in the other one. Wait, are you up?
Almost. Yep, I'm there. It's two ball action.
But then I found a purple one.
Oh, I just got knocked. Let me get down. Come in. Nice. Thanks, Junior.
You're welcome.
Look at tomato. Look at how tomatoes on. I'll just grab a bowl.
Need heavy ammo. Okay, I'm doing this. And guys, see how she already got knocked down.
I know, I'm not the best. Junior, I've got only 10 heavy ammo.
I only have 15. You can do this if you don't release half and you want to go down quicker. Let me get that green scar. Correct time. You know what it be. Yo, purple.
I need some show.
Why is that purple SMG down here? With no ammo. I need heavy ammo. Well, just give me heavy ammo. Just give me heavy ammo. Come on. Give me. Heavy. I'll give you all mine, then we'll do that thing. Don't take my sniper. Wait, let me just block that so nobody takes my sniper. Here, I need to drop my sniper so I can give you legit all of it. If you take that, I dropped the heavy ammo. Yep. I'm mining both at once. It is shiny. Yep, found some. As soon as you said that. From where? And there's a blue bolt here. No. Nah. I got 3 bandages. I got 3 bandages. Now 4. Who are you spectating? He doesn't. Yep, I see. I knocked him. I knocked him. I knocked him. I knocked him. Ah, I can't believe I knocked him. I'm by myself. Fam, how did he hit me with 1 shot? Fam, I should get 3 kills. I should have got 3 kills by now. I knocked down 3 people. Remember the one in the tower and these 2. Anyways, Vader. And peace out, guys. And that's the video for today.